Hi, konnichiwa. I'm Asuko Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about Happy New Year in Japanese. Yes, so did you know this? We Japanese people have two kinds of Happy New Year. Yes, so maybe in English you just say Happy New Year in any time during the end of the year and then the beginning of New Year. But in Japanese language, we use two different greetings in the current, end of the year and then New Year. Okay, so in December, before New Year starts, we say Yoi Otoshi o. Yoi Otoshi o. Yoi, have you ever heard Yoi? It's actually a bit old-fashioned way to pronounce E. So maybe you know E. So E means good, okay? And then, but historically, we pronounce the word good, E, as Yoi, okay? And then in this greeting, we use historical pronunciation, means good. So Yoi means good, and then Toshi means year, and then Otoshi is year, but a bit of polite expression. Otoshi o. This o, maybe you can notice this is particle, so it's a kind of fragment of the sentence. Yes, and then this little phrase means I wish you have a good new year. Okay, so Yoi Otoshi o. Yes, so it's to make a wish, so you have a new wonderful year. Okay, so that's why we use this expression at the end of the year, alright, in December. But once New Year starts, we use this expression, 明けましておめでとう. Can you see? ございます. Okay, 明けましておめでとうございます. So おめでとうございます part means congratulations. Yes, let's celebrate. So that's おめでとうございます. Yes, おめでとうございます. So if you want to say happy birthday, somebody birthday is 誕生日. So 誕生日おめでとうございます. So it means congratulations, your birthday. Yes, おめでとうございます means congratulations. And then what 明けまして part means. So if you learn kanji, maybe you can recognize this kanji character. This kanji character means bright, because you can see this part is the sun, and then this part, the left side part, means the moon. So sun and moon, it should be bright. Yes, so this kanji character means bright. Yes, 明るい, we use this kanji character and adjective bright. But this one, 明けまして, it's actually the verb 明ける. This is the dictionary form, and then if you use the end of the sentence 明けます, okay, and it means to become bright. Yes, to be bright. When bright, it's the dawn, the new, sunrise, and then the word will be bright. So this word means something end and then something new starts. Yes, because when the sun rises, our new day starts. Yes, so 明けまして, this means the new things, new year starts, and then congratulations. Yes, so this word, this verb 明ける, we have the expression 夜明け. This is noun, but came from this verb 明け. You can see this 明け. And then yo, this kanji means the night. It's night and then break. So in English, maybe you say daybreak. It's the dawn. It's when the time the sun is rising. That's yoake. But in Japanese, we use the word. We use the character means night. So night and then new day starts. That's yoake. Okay, so let's recap. In December, if you watch this video in December, please greet each other. Yoi Otoshi o. Okay, Yoi Otoshi o. Hope you have a great, good new year. And then once New Year starts, please say 明けましておめでとうございます。Congratulations, New Year! Yes? Okay, see you next time. さよなら。良いお年を。